palaban. Sabayan na.
Falcon, saan ka galing? Wala. Alam mo ba yung drugs spirit? Grabe na pang ganda nun.
Ito gusto yun ni Falcon
Ba't hindi mo sabihin?
Admit ka na ba?
Pes ka na kaya?
Mata na wingman kami dalawa.
Ano masasabi mo? Taray. Saan ka? Ayan. Wala.
Good morning, class. So, class, sit down. Before we start, I'd like to introduce myself. I am your science teacher, Rafael Awa, and you can call me Rafael na lang for short.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Mr. Mukutara.
We have a transfer student.
Where?
Here. Paras po ni Falcon sa lang.
Uy!
Hey! What's your name? Kindly introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Ailisa Parang.
This is Miss Aileen.
Regards daw, sabi Falcon sa lamon.
Class, our lesson for today is about water softening. So water softening, natural water usually contains a certain quantity of minerals like calcium or magnesium. Calcium and magnesium salts react with soap to form a scum stem of a foaming ladder. So that is water softening, guys.
Ito ka na naman,
Water is hard.
umiiwas ng tingin. Laging nakatanaw sa
Tingin dyan. Baka naman iba yun.
Mr. Sulama and Mr. Sabdullah, are you listening to the class?
Sorry, sir.
Calcium and magnesium salts react with soap to form a scum stem
sa akin kahit na ika'y hindi
So
ko
that is water softening,
maintindihan.
guys. So water
Nais na
softening
sinaya
usually
na
contains
yung
certain quantity. So it's already time. Take your vacation. Goodbye, class.
Hey, Ali. What's wrong with
Favorite mo ba itong Shopee?
Ah, oo, ang tamis kasi.
Diretso lang tingin sa hilaga, abot tanaw ang iyong hiwaga. Timog silangan at kanluran, ikaw pa rin ang patutunguhan. Ikaw pa rin ang patutunguhan.